Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can go live on Instagram. So once you have opened your Instagram app, and then on the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon. Now on the top right, here you see plus icon, just click on that. Now on the bottom, just click on live. Now on the top right corner, here you will see setting gear icon, and you can setting your camera settings, and you can change the camera access. After that, click on done. Now here you will see audience settings. Click on the audience, and then here you can choose your audience type. You can make it only friend or everyone. After that, just click on live button, and you are in live. Now on the top right corner, here you will see some setting, cross icon, and you can mute the microphone. Just click on microphone, and you can enable or disable the camera, and you can change the other things. After complete your live, and then on the top right corner, click on cross icon, and then click on end now. So that's how you can live on Instagram. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.